21 Riverside Mills. This property offers 3 first floor bedrooms, 1 ensuite, and on the ground floor you've got a fitted kitchen and a nice big lounge diner. Outside you've got a small garden here with a garage and parking in front on the tarmac drive. It's a leasehold property, so there's a maintenance charge to pay, which helps keep the whole area looking really nice. If you want any further questions or you want to see the video, watch it and then book a view. Take care.